Hello children, glad to meet all of you in your Maths online class. I hope you have completed the Maths homework. Students, write homework properly and send it WhatsApp number, okay? Be sure to write and send homework. You will be given a marks based on your homework only, okay children? So, do it properly. I will check your homework daily, okay? So, send the homework properly. Okay children, so now let's start our class. So listen carefully. Let's see the continuation of the previous class, okay? In revision exercise, fourth sum, all of you look at the board. In revision exercise, fourth question. Write the following in expanded form and short form, okay? Your question is 16 crore 22 lakh 208. 16 crore 22 lakh 208. So, here we want to write in expanded form and shortest form. Okay. So, shortest form means we write a number using digits. The number is had to be in the shortest form. Okay. So, shortest form நம்மளுக்கு வேர்டில் வந்து என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, உன்னோட கொஸ்டினை வந்து வேர்டில் இருக்குது. நம்ம அதை என்ன செய்யணும், ஃபஸ்ட்டு ரைட் இன் நியூமரல்ஸ், ஓகே, ரைட் இன் நம்பர்ஸ். ஸோ த நம்பர்ஸ் ஒன்லி ஷார்ட்டஸ்ட் ஃபார்ம், ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். வி ரைட் எ நம்பர் using digits. The number is said to be in the shortest form, okay. So you say the shortest form. Your question is in words, okay. 16 crore 22 lakh 208. Crore is coming, so that's why this is Indian place value system. Yes or no? Yes. So you put the Indian place value chart, okay, for rough. Your Indian place value chart start from ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore, okay, and so on. First period, ones period consists of ones, tens, 100, okay. Next, thousands period consists of 1000 and 10,000. Lakhs period consists of lakh and 10 lakh. Crore period consists of crore and 10 crore, okay. This is the Indian place value chart. Now, your question is 16 crore 22 lakh 208. 16 crore. In crore period, how much is there? 16, okay, in crore period 16. So this is the crore period. So you write in the number is 16. 16 crore 22 lakh. 22 lakh. So in lakh period, how much is there? 22, okay, this is lakhs period. So you write 22. So 22 lakh. Next, 208. 208 is the ones period. Yes children. So here is thousands period is not there. Thousand period is not represented in the number name, okay, but we want write in the shortest form, okay. So thousands period is not there, so you put that place 0, okay. 10,000 place is 0, thousands place also 0. Next you come ones period, how much is given? 208. 208. Now you read the number 16 crore 22 lakh 208, okay. So this is the shortest form. 16 crore 22 lakh 208, okay. Yes children. Yes. So shortest form finished. Now we want to write in expanded form, okay. So expanded form means we write a number as a sum of the place value of its digit. Sum of the place value of its digit, that form of the number is said to be the expanded form, okay. So expanded form na enna, ஒவ்வொரு digit oda place value oda summation, addition, okay. The sum of the place values of its digit, that is called expanded form, okay. So how will you write in expanded form? First you see that 1, okay. So you come to bigger number to smaller number, okay. So what is the place value of this one? 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So 110 crore. So 110 crore is equal to 1 10 crore. 1 into 10 crore is equal to 10 crore. Okay. How many places are 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 0. Okay. Plus, next digit you come, 6. So, what is the place value of 6? 6 crore. Okay. 6 crore. 6 into 1 crore. That is why 6 crore. So, how many 0? Crore has how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. Plus, okay, next you come, next digit 2. 2 is which position? 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 2 into 10 lakh, 20 lakh. Okay, 2 into 10 lakh, 20 lakh. Okay, plus next 2. What is the place value of this 2? 2 lakh. 2 into 1 lakh, 2 lakh. Okay, you write here 2 lakh. Plus next, this is the thousands. 10,000 place is 0. So you leave it. Next is thousands place is 0. This also you leave it. Why? The places which have the digit 0 in the short form are not represented in the expanded form. Okay. So that's why you leave it 0. Okay, children. The places which have the digit 0 in the short form are not represented in the expanded form. Okay. So that's why you leave it thousands place, 10,000 place and thousands place. Okay. Next you come hundreds place. How much is there? 2. 2 is in hundreds place. So 2 into 100, 200 plus here tens place also 0. So you not represented in the expanded form. Okay. Next is come 8 ones. So plus 8. So your expanded form is 10 crore plus 6 crore plus 2 10 lakh, that is 2 20 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 200 plus 8. Okay. So, expanded form எழுதுறது ரொம்ப ஈஸி. ஷார்ட் ஃபார்ம் தெரிஞ்சாலே போதும், நம்ம என்ன எழுதிடலாம்? எக்ஸ்பெண்டட் ஃபார்ம் எழுதிடலாம். ஓகே. உன்னோட கொஷின் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? வேர்டில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ வேர்டில் இருக்கிறத நம்ம என்னவா மாற்றுறோம்? ஷார்ட் ஃபார்ம். நீ வேர்டில் இருக்கிறத நியூமரலாக மாற்றினாலே அந்த நியூமரல்ஸ் தான் நம்மளுக்கு என்னது? ஷார்ட் ஃபார்ம். ஸோ ஷார்ட் ஃபார்ம்லேருந்து எக்ஸ்பெண்டட் ஃபார்ம். எக்ஸ்பெண்டட் ஃபார்ம்னா என்ன செய்யணும்? ஒவ்வொரு டிஜிட்டோட பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ. யூ டேக் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன். வாட் இஸ் த பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ ஆஃப் திஸ் ஒன்? 110 crore. 110 crore is equal to 10 crore. Okay. 110 crore is equal to 10 crore. So that's why 10 crore plus 6 crore plus what is the place value of this 2? 210 lakh. 210 lakh is equal to 20 lakh plus 2 1 lakhs, that is equal to 2 lakh. 2 lakh plus 200s. 200 plus 8 ones. Okay. Here thousands place are 0. 10,000 place are 0. Tens place is 0. So in the places having 0 in the short form are not represented in the expanded form. Okay, children. So that's why that is not represented in the expanded form. Okay. So do you understand? Do you understand? Okay. Now you write it in your classwork note. All of you take your classwork note. All of you take your classwork note and write today's day and date. Okay. Don't leave any page. Already revision exercise 3 questions are done. Now you start 4th one. Write the following in expanded form and short form. Okay, children. All of you take your classwork note and write today's day and date. Okay. Already in revision exercise 3 questions are done. Now the 4th question, write it. Okay. Write the following in expanded form and short form. Okay, children. Write the question. 16 crore 22 lakh 208. First of all, you write in short form. Okay. So this is the rough work area. So you write in rough work area. Okay. So this is the rough work. So you write in your note rough work area. Okay, children. Write it. Write neatly. Write neatly, children. At the same time, you write fast, okay? Write beautifully and accurately, okay? Write neatly, children, and put a line when a question and answer is completed, okay? Use the scale when drawing a line. Are you listening? Yes. Write it. Have you finished? Okay. Now the second one. Next question. Five lakh 78,000 1. Okay. 5,78,001. So you write in short form and expanded form. Okay, children. So first of all, you write in short form. Okay. Short form. So say the answer 5 lakh. So this also Indian system of numeration. Okay. So you do the Indian place value chart. So your Indian place value chart start from ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay. The first period, ones period. Ones period consists of ones, tens, 100. Thousands period next one is, that is consist of 1,000 and 10,000. Next is lakhs period. Lakhs period consists of lakh and 10 lakh. Crore period consists of crore and 10 crore and so on. Okay. Now you see the question. 5,78,001. 5 lakh. So in your lakhs period, how much is there? 5. Only 5 lakh. 10 lakh is not given, children. 5 lakh. Okay. So in lakh position, you put 5. So 5 lakh 78,000. Okay. 78,000. So thousands period, how much is there? 78. 5 lakh 78,001. 100 also not given. Tens also not given. Okay. So 1. So the remaining places, these places, you put 0. Okay. So your answer is 5 lakh 78,001. Okay. 5 lakh 78,001. Okay. This is the shortest form. Now you write in expanded form. Expanded form means we write a number as a sum of the place value of its digit. Okay. Or place values of ஒவ்வொரு digit ஓட place value என்ன செய்யணும்? Sum. Add symbol போட்டு எழுதணும். Okay. Sum of the place values of its digit. That form of the number is said to be expanded form. Okay. So now you write in expanded form 5. What is the place value of this 5? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So 5 lakh. So 5 lakh. Okay. So your place value of 5 is 5 lakh plus Next place value of the digit 7. Okay. What is the place value of 7? 7 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. 7 into 10,000, 70,000. So what is the place value of 7? 70,000. Okay. 70,000 plus. Next, what is the place value of 8? 8,000. Okay. 8,000 plus 100 is 0. Okay. So you leave it. And tens place also 0. So leave it. Next is 1. So plus 1. Okay, children. So your answer is expanded form is 50,000. Sorry, 5 lakh plus 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 1. Okay. The places which have the digit 0 in the short form are not represented in the expanded form. That's why we not represented in the expanded form. In which places? Hundreds place and tens places. Okay. Clear? Yes. Now you write it in your classwork note. Second one. 5 lakh 78,001. Okay. Write it. This is the rough work. So you write in rough work area. Okay. Write with pencil. Rough work copy. ரஃப் ஒர்க் எப்போ எழுதினாலுமே நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? பென்சிலால் உன்னோட நோட்டோட எந்த சைடில் எழுதணும்? எஸ், ரைட் சைடு. எஸ் எஸ், யூ ரைட் இட் இன் ரைட் சைடு. ஓகே, ரைட் இட். Five lakh 78,001. So first you write in short form, then after you write in expanded form. Okay. Write fast, children. Put a line when a question and answer is completed. Okay. Write beautifully and accurately. The shape of the letters is very, very important. Okay. So write neatly. Have you finished? Now, that's the next question. Fifth one. Write the greatest five-digit number using 4 different digits. 4 different digits. Okay, see the question. All of you listen. Write the greatest 5-digit number using 4 different digits. Okay. So what is the greatest 5-digit number? Greatest 5-digit number. Say, your greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Yes, children? Write the greatest 5-digit number using 4 different digits. Your question. But all of you know the greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Yes, children? So now you write it in your answer. Write the greatest 5-digit number using 4 different digits. But here only 1 digit only used. Yes, that is 9. But we want using 4 different digits. So you take the big numbers. Okay. Why? This is the greatest. We want greatest 5-digit number need. So that's why you take 4 different greatest number. Okay, one is 9 and another is 8, 7, 6. So 4 different digits are there. So now you form the greatest 5-digit number using 9, 8, 7, 6. But we need 5-digit need. Yes. So one more digit. Again 9 only. Okay, children. So again 9 only will come. So therefore the greatest 5-digit number using 4 different digits. Okay. What is the answer? The greatest 5-digit number using 4 different digits. So, your greatest 5-digit number, this is 99,989. But here is using 4 different digits. Okay. So, that's why you write in descending order. Okay, children. So, 9, again 9. Next number is 8, 7, 6. So, your answer is 99,876. So, you see that. You see the question. Write the greatest 5-digit number using 4 different digits. So, this is the greatest 5-digit number using 4 different digits. One is 9, another one is 8, next one is 7, 6. 4 different digits are used. Your greatest 5-digit number is 99,876. Okay? Are you clear? Yes. Write it in your classwork note. The greatest 5-digit number using 4 different digits. Okay. So your answer is 99,876. Write it. Write neatly. Have you finished? Next question. Sixth one. Write the smallest 7-digit number. Write the smallest 7-digit number. Write the smallest 7-digit number using 3 different digits. Using 3 different digits. Okay. So, write the smallest 7-digit number using 3 different digits. First of all, you say the smallest 7-digit number. How much? Smallest 7-digit number. So, smallest mean start from 1. Okay. Then remaining digits are 0. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digit. So, your answer is 10 lakh. Yes. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So, your number is 10 lakh. The smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh. But here, your question is using 3 different digits. Here, only 2 digits only used. Yes, that is 0 and 1. So then one more number 2. Okay. So 1, 0 and 2. Now you say the answer. The smallest 7-digit number using 3 different digits. Okay. What is the answer? Then all of you know the smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh. But here is used 3 different digits. So this last digit will come 2. Okay. So 10 lakh and 2. So your number is 10 lakh and 2. Okay. Okay, children? Yes. Now write it in your classwork note. The smallest 7-digit number using 3 different digits, 10 lakh and 2. Okay. Write fast. Write neatly. Write the smallest 7-digit number using 3 different digits. Okay. The smallest 7-digit number using 3 different digits is equal to 10 lakh 2. I hope you have written. Okay. The next question, 7th one. Children listen, stop writing. 7th question is, write the greatest 9-digit number using 5 different digits where 7 lies at the 10 lakhs place. Okay. So, we have to find the greatest 9-digit number using 5 different digits. Okay. All of you know, yes, the greatest 9-digit number is 9-digit number, the greatest 9-digit number. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 9 greatest 5-digit number, greatest 9-digit number. 99 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999. So this is the greatest 9-digit number. Okay, children, 99 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999. So now your question is the greatest 9-digit number using 5 different digits. Okay, here only one digit only used. Yes or no, children? Yes or no? But we need how many numbers? How many digits? 5 different digits need. But being only one digit. Okay, so you take another, how many digits are need? 4 digits are need. Okay, so that's digits are 9 one digit, next is 8 7 6 5. So using 5 different digits. So என்ன செய்யணும் 9 8 7 6 5 யூஸ் பண்ணி next நம்ம ஆன்சர் கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். Write the greatest 9 digit number using 5 different digits. That digits are 9 8 7 6 5. Okay, so therefore the record number, say that answer. The record number is, write the greatest 9 digit number, okay, using these digit. So but we need, how many digits are need? 9 digits. But here you are only, your hand only 5 digits only there. So how will you write? So you follow it in the right side la irundhe va seriya. So 5 6 7 8 again 9. So how many digits are filled? 5 digits. So remaining how many digits are need? 4. So you put that place 999. Okay children, so now you count the digit 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so 99 crore 99 lakh 98,765. But another one clue is given. What is there? Where 7 lies at the 10 lakhs place. Here is 7 is not in 10 lakhs place. Yes children, so where is 10 lakhs place? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. But here is 9. But we want 7 lies at the 10 lakhs place. So you convert it. Okay, so 7 enga vandrum. So 10 lakhs place 7, you put here 9. Okay, clear? So your answer is 99 crore 79 lakh 98,965. Okay, right. Write it. Children wait, sorry, here 9 will come. Okay, you correct, one correction is there. 99 crore, so 10 lakhs, that is 10 lakh position is 7. Okay, so you put 7 here. So again 99, then after 876, 7 is already is there. Okay, so 865. Okay, so how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So one more digit 9. So your number is 99 crore 79 lakh 99,865. Okay children, your answer is 99 crore 79 lakh 99,865. Okay, your 7 lies at the 10 lakhs place. Okay, clear? Yes, write it in your classwork note. Write neatly. Okay, I hope you have written. Now all of you take your maths homework note. All of you take your maths homework note. You write the homework questions, okay? All of you take your maths homework note and write the maths homework. First question, page number 18. Question number 4. First and second. Okay. All of you take your maths homework note and write the homework. Okay. Page number 18. Question number 4. In question number 4, you mark the question, first one and second one. Write the homework question, children. All of you listen. Your homework question is page number 18 in revision exercise question number 4. Okay. Page number 18 in revision exercise question number 4. First one and second one. Okay, children. The second question, write the numbers in expanded form. Okay. Here is given in numbers. So you write in expanded form. Expanded form means write a number as a sum of the place values of its digit. Okay. ஒவ்வொரு டிஜிட்டோட பிளேஸ் வேல்யூவை நம்ம என்ன செய்வோம், ஆட் அடிஷன் சிம்பிள் போட்டு எழுதினாலே நம்மளுக்கு அது என்னதான் எக்ஸ்பெண்டட் ஃபார்ம். ஓகே. சம் ஆஃப் த பிளேஸ் வேல்யூஸ் ஆஃப் இட்ஸ் டிஜிட், that form of the number is said to be the expanded form. Okay, children? Do you understand? Yes. All of you listen. Okay, this is the homework sum. So second question, numbers are given. You write in expanded form. Okay. Now you come to the third question. Write the numerals in words in both the Indian and the international system. Okay, children? Here your question is given in numerals. Okay, numbers are given. You write in words. Okay. You write in words in both the Indian and the international system. Both system. Okay. All of you know Indian place value chart and international place value chart are different. Okay. Indian place value chart start from write as ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore and so on. But your international place value chart start from ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, children? So, be careful. Write the numerals in words in both the Indian and international system. Okay? Before writing, you mark the periods. Okay? Okay, children? Period mark பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? Indian systemத்திலையும் international systemத்திலையும் wordsல எழுதணும். Okay? That's the third question. The questions are very, very easy. So, write yourself. Okay? Do yourself. Okay, children? So, take a photo. You finish the homework then after you take a photo and send it WhatsApp number. Okay? I will check your homework. Okay, children? Now we will see in the next class. Okay? Thank you.